Welcome to another episode of Ask Jade. So today I'm going to talk about what is a power of attorney, or as you'll hear me refer to it as a POA. So a power of attorney is a legal document that allows someone else to act on your behalf, known as an agent. It can be helpful to older people or others that choose a trusted person to act on their behalf when they no longer can. You can no longer manage your financial affairs, etc. If you don't create a POA in advance, a family member or a friend might have to actually go to court to be appointed guardianship if you become incapacitated and you're no longer able to make decisions for yourself. And this can be lengthy, expensive, and public. So an important part of lifetime planning is power of attorney. So a POA is accepted in all states. The rules differ a little bit from state to state. And they can be limited to a specific activity, attorney for that, or they can be more broad. And they can be temporary or they can be permanent. They can either take effect immediately or only upon the occurrence of a future event, such as a physician or court determining that you are incapacitated. So who should be your POA agent? You may want to choose a family member to act on your behalf. Many people name their spouses or their children. And naming more than one person to act at the same time, that's fine. You can certainly do that. But obviously there is the possibility that they may not all be available at the same time, or they may not agree. But there's no special qualifications necessary to become an agent or to act as a POA for someone, except they can't be a minor or incapacitated themselves. So the best choice is just someone you trust, someone with integrity. They don't need to know, have any type of financial background, legal background. It's mostly trust and integrity. That's the most important trait of a potential agent. So, and there are two different kinds of POAs. There's a healthcare POA. So this is obviously related to healthcare decisions, such as if you're in the hospital, you're in a coma, your POA can authorize surgery on your behalf or end-of-life treatments or life support decisions. And then there is a financial or a property power of attorney. And this, your agent, if you were incapacitated, could manage your business or your financial affairs, sign checks, file taxes, access bank account, pay your bills, make sure everything's being handled that way. If you had any specific questions about this, as always, I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. You can feel free to reach out to myself, Jade Carpenter, and the law office of Zeidman and Carpenter, and I'll see you next time.